I am Devrat Agarwal and welcome to Behind the Times. A lot has happened in November. Nikhil Kamath was criticized for buying a house after preaching against it. लगता है Nikhil Kamath is living in everyone's head, rent free. North Korean soldiers gorged on porn after gaining internet access for the first time. They went from watching Kim Jong Un to watching Kim K come. Barbie का manufacturer Mattel mistakenly listed porn site on packaging for dolls. Kids visiting porn sites is like Modi visiting Manipur. It sounds totally out of place. Latest trend of drinking bhindi water suggests improvement in digestion, blood sugar, and vaginal lubrication. Now I can finally be good at lady fingering. Hotel prices surged 10x in Ahmedabad after surprise Coldplay announcement. That makes the Coldplay concert the most expensive live gay show in history. Doctors found pair of scissors in woman's abdomen after 12 years. जैसे ही डॉक्टर ने scissor को बाहर निकाला, उनका झगड़ा हो गया. People mistake toxic waste as shampoo and take a bath in Yamuna River. Illiteracy in India is head and shoulders above the rest. Lonely dolphin in Baltic Sea found to be talking to himself. That's the only difference between the dolphin and me. I don't live in Baltic Sea. Gautam Adani indicted in US. Even after owning so many airports, he cannot travel to the US. This is a war against India. We should indict Elon Musk. Introducing our new model, the Fagwar Queer Type. It has some incredible new features like ventilated seats. Whenever you press it, the person starts venting out gossip.
What's up, bro? कैसा है, bro? रोहन कैसा है? I haven't heard from him since a while. हाँ, मतलब he is fine only. ऐसा कुछ issue नहीं है. Actually, he cheated on his girlfriend twice, and then she found out about it, and it became an issue. And she told his parents, and his parents.
A state-of-the-art GPS system
Show me the route to PVR.
showing you route to brunch at a coffee shop.
Abey, I wanna go see the movies.
Understood. Taking you to brunch at Ruby's coffee shop.
क्या बकवास है? Just show me the route to my home, यार.
Apologies. Taking you to brunch at Homebrewed coffee shop. You've heard of Passenger Princess, but have you heard of Driver Princess? Our mirrors automatically adjust themselves to focus on the driver. Our car even comes with 100 1 rupee coins so that the driving princess feels better about herself by giving money to a beggar. Lastly, our car also comes with a free coming out card.
Dad, I bought a new Fagwar. Oh my god, I'm proud of you, son. Actually, Papa, now I identify as a woman. Then I'm proud of you, daughter. Papa, बेटी.
Fagwar. Copy nothing that's worth copying. Let's shift to Delhi now, though no one really wants to. India's capital Delhi, or as I like to call them, India's cigarette butt. Pollution in Delhi has reached new heights. It's so high now that can be seen from outer space. Delhi looks like a post-apocalyptic world where the only survivors are chain smokers. As of today, Delhi's AQI has improved from severe to very poor. That's like being promoted to the assistant regional manager. Grab stage 4 has been enforced, which is basically stage 4 cancer for Delhi. People are getting oxygen delivered to their home. भैया एक बटर चिकन, एक गार्लिक नान, एंड एक पैकेट ऑक्सीजन गोल्ड भी भेज देना. वो तो बोलना ही भूल गया. वो तो मेन था. But the saddest people right now in Delhi are the local molesters. We have one online, so let's talk to him and see what's going on. Are you smoking a cigarette right now?
स्ट्रेस बहुत है. क्या करूं?
स्ट्रेस? स्ट्रेस किस बात का?
लड़कियों को ताड़ ही नहीं पाता.
It's that bad.
कल मुझे एक बस्ती शैडो दिखा तो सोचा कि जाके छेड़ता हूँ. उधर जाके पता चला कि वो तो लड़का है.
Oh no.
फिर क्या? फिर तो सॉरी बोल के निकल गया मैं.
क्या रे आइट? Oh, sorry. I went to vote for the first time and मैं notice किया कि there was this option called Nota. मुझे लगता है कि if they are giving an option for none of the above, so there should also be an option for all of the above. Modi, Rahul Gandhi and Kejriwal, they all rule the country together. उनकी पार्टी का नाम होगा भारतीय खानदानी लुटेरे और BKL.